Beyond just avoiding obscurity, good security usually ends up relying upon strong cryptographic algorithms and strong cryptographic keys. Kirchhoff's principle from 1883 holds that security should entirely rest on the secret encryption key and not on anything else. In fact, a cryptographic system should be completely secure, even if everything about it is made public, including all the source code. The only thing that should need to be kept a secret is the particular secret key value used for a particular system. Even very complicated secret algorithms can be broken just by looking at encrypted messages without ever seeing the original algorithm. This has been proven many times over, but a famous example is the Lorenz cipher used by the German High Command in World War II, codenamed Tunny. This cipher was broken years before the Allies ever saw the encryption or had any information about its design. If you're not a professional cryptographer, it only gets worse. As a rule, homemade or proprietary cryptography is breakable, often shockingly breakable. You should use only vetted, publicly available cryptographic algorithms and security protocols. You should also use only vetted implementations that represent best practice. Perhaps surprisingly, the versions of algorithms and protocols found in textbooks often have subtle security flaws. Any secret, such as a secret cryptographic key or password, should not only be very strict in terms of being long and random, but should never be shared among multiple copies of your product. If you put a single master password in multiple units in the field, it will eventually leak out, if for no other reason than someone will reverse engineer one unit so that they can get the master password to the other units. Reverse engineering includes, potentially, acid etching the chip via what is known as a chip peel so they can recover the program or data inside. Thus, every single item manufactured should have its own unique secret key. No record of the key should be kept at the factory because keeping a key database simply makes the database the focus of an attack and not the product. In the end, you often get pushed towards public key cryptography, at least to support an initial information exchange to set up session keys.